Maroon Highland.
So now we're here. After that, we'll be going down there.
Okay.
Down there is all the. This is where they send to the factory
Oh, I
to
see.
process the tea and all the stuff. But see, now we see the machine collection.
Yeah.
They do by machine. It's not that good. They
Oh.
really don't go for quality. I mean, sorry, they don't go for quality. They go for quantity.
I understand.
3%.
So they have.
Actually, it should be red. But now the machine, like not really, not like hand plucking. Hand plucking is different. Nowadays,